Alright guys, this bulb didn't even last 3 or 4 months guys. I think it's been like 4 months, something like that. So as you can see, the heat has destroyed this completely. This is a fanless design, so this side just fully come off, but the other side's still going strong after 6-7 months. So I think this one was just faulty, but the customer service of this company, Lucky or whatever it's called, it's just terrible guys, very terrible. You need to, they don't reply to you. They got a 2-year warranty, but it doesn't mean anything if they're not going to reply to you. But good thing Amazon has your back, so they've had my back and they protect me. So yeah, check out my next video. I'll be doing an LED upgrade.